Hey guys, how's it going? Today we are going over Leetcode 997, find the town judge. So there are n people labeled from 1 to n. There's a rumor that one of these people is a town judge. Town judge trusts nobody, but everybody else trusts the town judge. There is exactly one person that satisfies properties 1 and 2. You are given trust, which is an array of pairs representing that person A trusts person B. If the town judge exists and can be identified, return the label of the town judge, otherwise return -1. So if you have 2 people and person 1 trusts person 2 is the town judge. Have 3 people, person 1 and person 2 both trust person 3, but person 3 trusts nobody. Person 3 is the town judge. If you don't find a town judge, output -1. So basically for the solution to the question, we are going to set up an array, which we can call it like count array, and the size is gonna be n plus 1. I'll just write it here and explain to you. Let's see this example. So we'll set up an array called count, and it's gonna be n plus 1 number of zeros. So n plus 1 is 4, right? So there will be 4 zeros. So 4 zeros, and once we set that up, then we go through our trust array. And whenever we see somebody is trusting another person, we go into our array and decrease that index positions number by 1. So 1, 0, 1. Index position 1 should decrease by 1. And we see whenever we see somebody is gaining a trust, we increase the count by 1. So 3, right? So 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, 3, index position 3 increase by 1. Whenever we see somebody is trusting others, we decrease it by 1. 0, 1, 2. Index position 2 decrease by 1. Index position 3 increase by 1. And after looping through all the trusts, then basically we just have to find out which number, which index position has n minus 1 as their count. So because index position 3 have n minus 1, which is 3 minus 1, which is 2, then we output the index, which is 3. So the output is going to be 3. So you can see that the count is actually, we are counting how many trust people are giving to others, and people are receiving from others. So for person 1, it's giving other people 1 trust. Person 2 is giving other people 1 trust, and person 3 is gaining 2 trusts from other people. And we just have to evaluate whether some people's trust is equal to n minus 1, because remember, everybody except the town judge himself have to trust the town judge. So that's why we have n minus 1. Basically the idea is to set up an array called count that count how many trusts person is gaining or giving others, and then we just have to return. Okay, so let me just code it up. First, let's initial our array. So our count is going to be an array of 0, and m plus 1. The reason why it's m plus 1 is because here the people are from 1 to n. So basically, for the example here, remember we have 4 zeros in our array. The first 0 at index position 0 doesn't get used. We only use index 1 to m plus 1. Yeah. Okay. So for ij in trust, so count I is giving, so this person is giving other people trust, so the trust number should be decreased by 1.